A tractor is a valuable tool on any farm. Daily checkups are important. They keep your tractor running smoothly. These checks help you find problems early. This prevents bigger problems and costly repairs. Think of daily checks like brushing your teeth. You do it every day to keep your teeth healthy. Same with tractors. A few minutes each day can save you big trouble later. These checks are simple. Anyone can do them. No need to be a mechanic. Let's look at what to check on your tractor every day. Before you start the tractor, there are some key things to check. First, look for any leaks under the tractor. Oil or fuel leaks can be dangerous and need immediate attention. Next, check the engine oil. Use the dipstick, wipe it clean, and insert it again to get the reading. Low oil can damage the engine. Don't forget the coolant. Check the coolant level in the reservoir. Coolant keeps the engine from overheating. Lastly, make sure the air filter is clean. The air filter helps the engine breathe. A dirty filter makes the engine work harder. While the tractor is running, listen carefully for any unusual noises. Strange sounds can be a sign of trouble. Keep an eye on the gauges while operating the tractor. Check the temperature gauge and fuel gauge regularly. After you've finished working, allow the engine to cool down before you park the tractor. Check the tire pressure regularly. Proper tire pressure helps the tractor perform its best. Daily tractor checkups are like a stitch in time. They save you time and money in the long run. By finding and fixing problems early, you avoid major breakdowns. These checks also ensure your safety while operating the tractor. A well-maintained tractor is a safe tractor. Remember, a little care goes a long way. Make daily checkups a habit. Your tractor will thank you for it.